Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.